Could you please introduce yourself and your company?
See, my name is S. Narayanan. I am head of commercial and international operation. And as far as about our company, we are in the automobile industry for more than 40 years. And in the automobile industry, totally we have established ourselves and are supplying to almost all vehicle manufacturers in India. You can take Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Harley Davidson, and TVS, and then Tata Motors, Skoda, Hyundai, you name anybody that we are supplying them something or other lamps. And coming to the LED, on our diversification program, we have started manufacturing this LED luminaire, and which are displayed here. You can see all these luminaires, and we have introduced the two new segment in the LED area. The one segment is all LED luminaires for the not only for industry, airport, and other area. And another segment is that we are manufacturing this LED signalings. It is a passenger information, integrated passenger information system for the railways, and then LED panels for the buses. So this is quite a big area. The future is for LED, and in the coming years, that LED is going to give a much bigger business. So in order to keep the sustainable growth in our company, which we are doing, it's approximately about 20% every year we are growing. So in order to keep that sustainability, and we are diversified into this area, and when this area is fully functional, fully operational, and full benefit is derived down the line in the next 4 to 5 years of time, we hope possibly we will be able to add a turnover of another 1,500 crores or so. And this is the situation about our company. And we have got about 8 manufacturing plants located in different parts of India. 4 are located in the south of India and 4 in the north of India. And all of them are manufacturing these automobile lamps, because we keep the plant nearer to the vehicle manufacturers in order to keep proximity and save them the logistic costings. And people have now started this LED, but we have already started this LED manufacturing, LED application based lightings for the vehicle industry more than 6 years ago. In fact, we have established our SMT plant more than 6 years ago.
Which other area or application area do you see LEDs coming up in the future?
See, LED is widely coming in different area. As I told you now, initially we have started all these downlighters. Then we have started this bulb, and then there's tube lights. And then we have added this.
Sectors, which different sectors?
This is usable. This all usable for all architectures, new buildings, airport, this kind of metros, in all these areas this can be used. And not only that, this is for institutional sales also, like state government, municipal corporation, because we are manufacturing LED street lights also, solar based LED street lights also. So this can be used for all through even the homes also. Apart from that, we have now further progressed and developed this integrated information system for the railways, where you will see in the railway station announcing the train coming. I will show you later on, and also the arrival time and things like that. And another thing is, we have also developed LED panels for the state transport company and the taxis and metros, where it not only displays the information but also give announcement also. We have that, everything is our own. And if you talk about these LED products, many of the people, they outsource it. They don't do everything. And many of the people, they import from China also and name it as their product. But here we manufacture everything in-house, and only the LED chips are imported, because that is not manufactured in India. So we are definitely sure that as far as the price is concerned, nobody can compete with us. So, and in the future we are sure that we are going to capture the market continuously.
So how's the experience been at the Expo in terms of visitors and queries and business deals?
Yeah, in this year it is much better response than the last year. Though they have taken little lesser area, I think they could have taken even more area also, then more people could have participated. So this year it is definitely, I should say, about 20% more visitors and more business inquiries, and more interest is also seen among the visitors.
So what kind of questions are you being asked from visitors?
They are asking about this product, what are the benefits we have got. So we see
certain application area they're looking at more this year.
Yeah, application also they ask how all these products, where it can be used, and how they are manufactured. Particularly they ask whether they are manufactured in India. That is their specific question. They say it is all manufactured in India. The advantages are there. 85% power saving is there. It is eco-friendly product, no UV, minimal carbon footprint, very long life. If you take our normal, the earlier incandescent bulb, it will give for maybe 500 hours or maybe little more. But this bulb what we are offering, that will give 35,000 hours. So the maintenance is literally nil. So that is the advantage they try to know.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking with us.
See, this is a new product we have launched here. It has got a lamp, and it has got a solar panel to charge, and then it has got a dynamo to it can charge with this. Okay, then it has got also giving signal, things like that. Here we have got a radio application. You can then we have got a in case somebody is in need of help or something like that, certainly they can announce, particularly girls who are in distress, they can use this for an information. And there is another product that is also an innovative kind of, I will just see here we have got a light at the time of usage. Then we have got a signal in case your car is stranded, you have got in problem, you can use it. And here you have got a magnetic field. This can be put on the top of the car to alert the people. Earlier they used to say you can put a warning triangle, which you can to keep it about 50 meters away, but that is not as effective, because you keep it and come back here, by the time the triangle may not be there. So here you can put it on, it is quite visible for a pretty long distance. Above all, here is a very important function in this. Here you see there is a blade. You can see here. Many times you must have read in the paper that people got stuck in the car, and when it is the fire got, they have died. There are several such information in news. And with this, the seat belt can be cut within no time. You are escaped from seat belt. Then another thing is the car locks and all get jammed, So that time here we have got a point. With this you can break the glass within no time to escape from this. So it has got an additional advantage also. In both the side it is there. It has got an advantage also. In case of somebody, the girls can keep it in the packet also. In case of
very light.
It is very light also. You can hold it and see.
And we are going to put the siren also.
In this?
So ladies can have in their purse.
So this kind of a siren will also come in this. So this
What are you targeting with this specific product?
This is for even the automobile users also. In case of they are in distress, they can use this by giving signals, alarm, and apart from
we are targeting this because you see, for emergency, in case of emergency, they can always use this siren.
Let me introduce him. He is Dr. J.K. Jain, our chairman and managing director of the company. And this is an innovative product. And this product, this is his discovery, because he is totally involved in the manufacturing and all operation of the company. And this one is the patent registration.
Are these products already out in the market, or?
We were waiting. We are waiting for the patent registration completion, and then it will be used. You can understand the kind of benefits that are available over here. So it can be widely given, and there are.
At what price would this be available?
It should be
200 rupees.
And that one?
2,600 rupees.
Because it has got a multifunctional radio, siren, and the table lamp also, and the solar panel.
With dimmer. This light is dimmer. This is bit dimmer.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. I'll just show you around the place.